he it's next part of this chapter. So we ended up to here in the last video, and I think you all are able to understand that clearly. So let's understand this. So what's given here? Consider another example. Here we are taking some example that is what related to, if you get a job in a far off places. If you get job means, if you get job, it's very simple. Far off places, before accepting it you will try to consider many factors, right? Apart from income, such as facilities for your family, right? Atmosphere of workings, opportunity to learn. Job may give less pay but may offer regular employment that enhances your sense of security. Means if you are working somewhere and you get, you know if you are working somewhere, so if you get, less job security, you are getting that anytime we will out you, we will take your job seats from you, so you will not work there. If they are giving money also, just think that you are getting a job in industry that is very far off, and you are getting 1 lakh rupees for 10 days only, for 10 days working. Then what you will think? You will go. And they are saying that anytime we will remove you from the job. No, you will not go, right? Some persons may go, we can't say about them because all are having different mindsets. So okay, so working atmosphere, we will see everything opportunities. Like if we take the example of, policeman, so they are getting police quarters, police hospitals, right? Many things they are getting, okay, for their security. Job security is also there. Another case, a job may give less pay to you but offer regular employment. Means if you are getting less, means if you are getting 10 days 50,000 rupees at a job, and they are giving you that, you are getting job security, employment security, you will go there, okay. Another job however may offer high pay but not job security, and also leave no time for your family. दिस विल रिड्यूस योर सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी एंड फ्रीडम. अगर कोई भी जॉब आप लेने जा रहे हैं, अगर वहाँ पर आपको कम पैसे मिल रहे हैं और जॉब सिक्योरिटी हर चीज़ मिल रही है, लीव्स भी मिल रही हैं, तो आप वहाँ जाओगे. लेकिन अगर कोई भी जगह है जहाँ आपको जॉब सिक्योरिटी वगैरह कुछ नहीं मिल रही है और लीव्स वगैरह कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, तो यू विल नॉट गो देयर बिकॉज योर फ्रीडम इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड देयर. इन लास्ट सेशन वी हैव डिस्कस दैट फ्रीडम इज हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट. आई हैड गिवन यू मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स, ओके. सो similarly, for development, people look at a mix of goals, right? It's true that if women are it is written, engaged in paid work, their dignity in household and society increases. However, it also in the case that if there is respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework, है ना? And a greater acceptance of women outside working outside. Means कि अगर कोई भी वुमेन बाहर वर्क कर रही है जिसके लिए पेड है, मतलब वो पैसे मिल रहे हैं उसको, तो उसका जो रिस्पेक्ट है घर में वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है ना. रिस्पेक्ट विल बी इंक्रीज्ड इन द हाउस, एंड द हाउस होल्ड chores will be distributed, right? Sharing of housework will be there, and greater acceptance will be there also for women. Safe and security environment may allow more women to take a variety of jobs, है ना. अगर सेफ और सिक्योरिटी इन्वायरमेंट है तो वहाँ पर वुमेन्स वर्क करेंगी. Hence, developmental goals that people have are not only about better income but also about all the other important things in life. So it's the session completed. It's a very small session of 5 minutes only. In this, I told you that this line is conveying you that materialistic things are not only important, better income, but also we need non-materialistic things such as job security and that. And if you're not able to understand what's difference between materialistic and non-materialistic things, just go and check out my last session of this chapter. You will be able to understand very carefully, okay. Thank you and have a nice day. Please give this thumb. The things which you will give, you will get in back, okay. So please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.